how's it going? Today we're gonna go around and draw Nazo the Hedgehog, okay? Another in the Sonic universe. It's gonna be easy, completely step by step. If you're a beginner, this is the perfect spot. So sit around, stick around, easy stuff, all right? Let's get going, okay? Also really short. The whole lesson's like 7 minutes, so let's get started. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go over here into Nazo's eyes. I'm gonna go down, up. Cool, cool, cool. This was requested, by the way, so if you want to request a drawing, you can absolutely do it. Curve over here, up over here to the side, so you have the top part of the eyes. Gonna go over here to the nose now, and it's gonna pull out. Kind of like, it's gonna look a little bit like a balloon or something, or like a sausage or something. That's the way it looks like to me. Down over here, curve out to the side, pull up. Go over here. Over here to the side. Pull up. Curve underneath. Curve underneath. Another circle on the inside for the highlight, and I'm gonna fill in most of this. Same thing over here. Gonna leave a little bit of light. I wanna leave a little bit of light there. It doesn't matter what shape it is. You can make a square, anything. It could be specks, doesn't matter. I'm gonna pull that up just a bit. Cool. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull a line down for the edge of the mouth, but he's not gonna have a separation the way Sonic normally does. Sonic normally has a color separation between the mouth and the blue of his hair, but he's not gonna have that. Curve over here. Line, because he is mad. They're all mad. These guys are all mad. Curve right here for that chest puffing out. And I'm gonna pull the line in over here for the rest of that face. Good so far? Decent? All right, chilling out. If you have any other characters in the Sonic universe you want me to go over, I will absolutely do it. I love, love, love the Sonic universe. Don't forget to check out the playlist. It's gonna be in the top right-hand corner, hopefully as I'm speaking, and that is all about all the characters in the Sonic universe, okay? I have another playlist on just the Sonic movie characters, so let's absolutely go check those out. Those are amazing. Curve over here. The front of the chest, pull down. Gonna go over here, out over here for his hand. Hand's gonna pull up, right? His hand is basically tubes. He has basically the exact same, you know, Sonic body, you know. Curve down, out, out. Line in. Line out. Line out. Line over here. Line over here for kind of the gloves. And right here I'm gonna be like an M shape. See that, kind of like an M or 3. Just like this bump, bump, like there's 2 bumps on both sides for the kind of the wrist section, right, of the glove. Over here on this side, bump, bump. Bump, bump, same thing. Straight across there. Gonna go over here on this side. Curve line in there for the thumb. Circle right here for the thumb. Looks like an egg or something, right? Curve for the palm. Curve for the palm. And now I'm gonna draw egg shapes right here for the fist. See this? Looks like kind of like a bunch of eggs. Go over here on this side. True. Egg, egg, egg. Let's go down the feet. Usually the shoes is kind of where I notice where things change as far as like the character designs goes for all these guys. All the Sonic characters. It's usually the shoes that really differentiate it. If you want to be different too, differentiate yourself, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. Ha! Well, let's segue that in. If you like learning how to draw stuff, whether it be stuff in the Sonic universe, dinosaurs, or Godzilla, or Pokemon, anything you can think about, I put on this channel. You just got to request it. They're all simple lessons. They're all below 8 minutes or so. They're all easy and kind of filtered out there. So what I want you to do is to hit that subscription button, click the bell notification. What's going to happen is you're going to see it on your feed, right? So you're looking through your YouTube feed. I'm going to be one of like those 30 images. It'll show how to draw Sonic something, one day. And you don't want to miss it because I'm going to basically draw every character you can think about and make the, you know, put these on the playlist, which they already are. So, so if you want to draw like other Sonic characters from that universe that a lot of people are not teaching, now you'll be able to see it when I draw it, okay? So hit that subscribe and that bell notification. Line over here, line over here. Same thing for that sock. See that 3? You know, 3 and an M, I don't know, sideways M. Same exact thing. Curve underneath, curve underneath. And now I'm gonna draw a curve on the foot, down, back, line down here, curve, over here. So these so far look like Sonic's shoes, right? But let's gonna put a straight line through them in the middle. Okay? Line back here for the tail, it's a spike. Okay, let's go to the head and give him spikes over here. Up, in, over here on this side, up, in, over here another spike, up, down, spike in the middle, and another spike over here. He's got like 5 spikes kind of on top of his head. Here's the really different part. There's gonna be 2 spikes coming from his back, like so. Okay. Let me know if I'm going too fast. Let me know in the comments section. You're going too fast if I'm going too fast, okay? Don't want to go too fast. But like I said, I want to draw all these, you know, obscure characters from the Sonic universe. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna go to so triangle here for the ear, triangle for the other ear, and I'm gonna pull a line out right there, out, to kind of give it a little bit of depth. I'm gonna pull a line in and a line in. Curve, curve for kind of the brows, and that is it. That is Nazo the Hedgehog. I've never heard of this character. Please, somebody tell me about this character. I know nothing about this character. I think he was like in Sonic Underground or something, right? Sometimes he'll have this too. Triangle, just a straight up triangle on his chest. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Let me know your character and I'll talk to you later. For skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.